I'm Lieutenant Julius Bratton from Woodlawn, Tennessee, Blue Angel number 7, and I'm the narrator for the flight demonstration. Coming from Woodlawn, Tennessee, where I live specifically is just outside of Clarksville, Tennessee. Woodlawn's a rural farming community, so being from there and now being a Blue Angel, it means that everything is possible. There are no limits to any goals that you want to set. When I think about relentless pursuit of excellence, I think about how I apply that in my everyday life. Everything I do, I am trying to make my deviations from perfection smaller and smaller with each set and rep. I understand that perfection is not attainable, but those deviations can become so small that maybe only I will notice, or maybe a very well-trained eye will notice. But as long as I can mark improvement and continuously strive towards that ideal end state, then that is moving forward and getting better. It has been very humbling, rewarding, and a proud moment shared by the entire community when my family and I hear about people that know me and send congratulatory remarks for joining the team. So for everybody out there, I just want them to know, hey, dream big and anything's possible.